Rules regarding sequence of tenses with examples. Learning and understanding the rules to be followed when using multiple verbs in a sentence is the only way to comprehend how a particular sequence of tenses works. Looking at some examples and associating them with the rules is how you can master them. Given below are the rules to be followed when using multiple tenses. Go through them and apply them in sentences of your own. Rule 1. Past follows past. If you have a verb conjugated in the past tense in the main clause or the principal clause, then make sure you conjugate the verb in the subordinate clause also in the past tense. This rule can be further broken down based on the form of past tense that appears in the principal clause. Tense of the principal clause, tense of the subordinate clause. Example: simple past, I thought you were at home. Past continuous, simple past, they were telling us that they loved our performance. Past perfect, simple past, my parents had left home before I arrived. Simple past, past perfect, the teacher wanted to know if the students had completed writing the answers. When I reached the station, the train had already left. Simple past, past perfect continuous, my brother was angry because he had been waiting for us for over an hour.
Now, check your answers and see how far you have understood how the sequence of tenses works. 1. I wish you were here with me today. 2. We missed the train since we left home late. 3. Priya says that she did not see the guy properly. 4. I wish my brother understood what he was sacrificing to get what he wanted. 5. They did not know why Pranav behaved that way. 6. He will be allowed to go home only after he finishes all that has been assigned to him. 7. My parents acted as if they did not know anything about the accident. 8. Unless you express what you feel, nobody will know what is really going on with you. 9. The teacher taught us that the sun rises in the east. 10. Her mom thinks that it is a good idea.
One. Suddenly she gave a loud scream and fell to the ground. 2. After questioning he was allowed to go home. 3. They would have won if they had played a bit harder. 4. She was heard to say that she disagreed. 5. Although they were defeated, they did not lose heart. 6. Our teacher taught us that virtue is its own reward. 7. The teacher asked the boys whether they had solved the problems. 8. He declared that he would not believe it even if he saw it with his own eyes. 9. The room was searched but the police failed to find anything suspicious. 10. The government has announced that taxes will be raised.